Stop your hiccups instantly by drinking water upside down. It sounds wild, but this quirky trick can reset your diaphragm and bring immediate relief. When you drink water upside down, it forces your diaphragm to contract differently, effectively interrupting the spasm cycle that causes hiccups. The unconventional position makes your body focus on coordination and balance, which distracts it from the hiccup reflex. Imagine your diaphragm as a jumpy muscle that just needs a quick reset. This method acts like a reboot, causing your diaphragm to relax and return to its normal rhythm. So next time you find yourself hiccuping, grab a glass of water, lean over, and sip from the opposite side. It might feel strange, but it's a fun and surprisingly effective trick that many swear by. Give it a try and impress your friends with this hiccup hack.